kaya wala na talagang pag-asa ang Pilipinas habang namuno at habang nasa Malacanang si Marcos. Kaya ang panawagan ko ay Marcos resign.
Sir, isa po tayo sa panawagan nila, sir.
Yes, pero yung panawagan ko, Marcos resign.
Yes, sir. Bakit po?
Ha?
Why are we calling Marcos po to resign?
Kasi na-implicate na siya by Zaldico. Wala pang nangyayari. Mga ilang buwan na tayo. Wala pang nakukulong. Our economy is crashing. More and more people are dying every time there's a typhoon. Kaya wala na talagang pag-asa ang Pilipinas habang namuno at habang nasa Malacanang si Marcos. Kaya ang panawagan ko ay Marcos resign.
Sir, is it the only way para ibalik yung trust ng taong bayan sa pamahalaan ngayon?
No, there are plenty of ways. We could have started imprisoning or holding the people accountable for the flood control. Pero ang problema ngayon is that we had multiple months to do it. Wala pang nangyayari ngayon, kaya wala talagang pag-asa.
Sir, if President Marcos ay hindi tutugon sa panawagan ng taong bayan, just like what you have said, that he should resign, ano pong mangyayari po? Anong magiging next na hakbang po ninyo?
Para sa akin, well, we'll just keep fighting corruption, keep fighting the... We'll keep bringing up the issues that we see now, pero pag wala talagang gagawin si Marcos, pag wala talagang magbabago dito, then we already saw what the downward spiral is of the government. We already saw how investor confidence is rapidly decreasing, and we already saw the increased damages that we see from the recent typhoons.
Sir, may we have your reaction doon po sa mga pasabog ni dating Representative Zaldico?
Well, mukhang naglalaglagan na sila, and very good yun kay Zaldico. It's still likely na kasama din siya, nakasabwat din siya. Like, that's practically impossible na wala siyang kinalaman doon. But kung lahat naman sila ay maglalaglagan na, then that's very good. Let the corrupt people fight each other.
Sir, ipinananawagan po nila na dapat po daw umuwi si Zaldico para dito mag-take oath at mapanutayan yung sinasabi niya. Kayo, sir, do you agree with that na kailangan niyang umuwi dito sa Pilipinas?
Well, dapat damihan ng security kasi baka magkaroon tayo ng Zaldico International Airport kung sakaling may balak si Marcos Jr. Kasi alam na natin yung nangyari nung martial law noong panahon ni Marcos Sr. We don't want to repeat history, and masyadong nakakalito na kung gagawin nilang Zaldico International Airport yun.
Sir, lastly, your message sa taong bayan.
Alam niyo naman, meow meow.